Sales funnels are an amazing way to increase sales. It's kind of like the line at a grocery store. You don't need that chocolate bar, but now that you see it, you have to have it. In this video, I'm going to show you a free sales funnel tool that you could use when you're just getting started. Make sure to stick around until the end of this video because I have a very special tip for another way that you could start making passive income online. So make sure that you don't skip a second of this video. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan and I'm here to help you find the tools to build income online. Sales funnels and marketing funnels have become super huge over the past few years. There are a lot of options out there. This may be a matter of opinion, but I'd say the biggest one is probably ClickFunnels. But there are a lot of options. Having a lot of options isn't necessarily a bad thing. Competition leads to innovation. One thing about getting started online is that a lot of people are time rich. They have a lot of free time, but not a lot of extra money to invest in their online endeavor. Funnels are a huge part in increasing your average cart size. An average cart size would be the average of every purchase through that funnel. But if you're paying almost $100 for a funnel software, at least at the time of this video, you're potentially losing money. Now, there are actually sites that let you use their pre-designed funnels for their products that they sell. And I don't just mean one product, I mean an entire store's worth. If you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. There are several sites that do this, but my favorite is called PayKickstart. PayKickstart is free for affiliates. If you want to host your own product on PayKickstart, you'll either have to pay a monthly, yearly, or one-time fee. I'll put a link to it in the description if it's something that you're looking for. So when you're an affiliate through products that are promoted through PayKickstarter, it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory, and you end up, once you have your link, the entire funnel will be built. But I'm gonna walk you through it just so you can see. PayKickstart is just paykickstart.com, and you just create a free account. You just say try it free. When you create your affiliate account, it doesn't cost anything. Even though when you go to the site, it says that it costs money, but that's only if you're going to try and promote your own product using it. This is what they charge for the people that are promoting their products. They charge hosting to host other people's products that then you could turn around and sell. Once you're logged in, just go to Marketplace along the left-hand side, and you'll be able to see all the different products. All the products are just listed here, one after another. Or you can go to filter if you're looking for a particular vendor. So if you want, once PayKickstart actually has their own line of products as well, beyond just PayKickstart, or you could look at any of the other ones. So the funnels are all pre-designed, but you're free to use them. So to create your funnel, just go to marketing, select your vendor. I'm just gonna select this one for automatic script. And as you can see, you select your campaign, automatic script would be, and then you select your funnel. This particular one has two different funnel options. I could use their 197 automatic script or their main funnel. So what this will do, it will give different upsells along the way. So somebody will click it. If they decide to make the purchase, then there'll be other built-in upsells that come from the same seller. So I'm just gonna select the main funnel. So just use an example. Then you could create whichever default link. You can create a custom link or just leave it this, and if you're gonna cloak it. So if you wanna add in like a bonus item, for instance, if you wanna add in a lead magnet, maybe you are offering an incentive for them to come through your link, you could just add it here. They have several like built-in ones. This is to upgrade to, like I said, lifetime and monthly. They want to, this is them promoting and trying to get you to upgrade what you're already subscribing to. But then if you want to promote like a one-time link that to go out, you could create like a Dropbox link with an ebook or a PDF. Maybe you did a training on the product, and when they buy the product through your link, you give them your training for free. So one other small thing, this particular one doesn't have it, but they have promotional banners and email swipes. Here's another example of another product. This is a messenger product. This one only has one funnel that they offer, but it does have free email swipes as well as a promotional banner. So if you click on affiliate links, you can see all the different things that you are promoting currently, or at least that you have an affiliate link for. So if you want to have a quick link from here, this won't necessarily have your custom funnels, but this will be like the default funnel for Toonly. I can just copy this and then send that to somebody, and it would actually send them through the entire funnel. One thing that this one doesn't do that other ones like ClickFunnels or other ones like that do is that it captures emails. So if you're gonna use this, you need to set up some sort of bridge page or email capture page before it gets to the affiliate link. Otherwise, you're just gonna make the sale and you're never gonna have a long-term customer. This is a great way to increase your profits if you don't have any money to put into your business. In the end, it's always better to have a full funnel software. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide on how to make a passive income online using affiliate marketing, make sure to check out the first link in my description. What sales funnel software do you use? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one.